Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Techodism with Farhana. So today I'm going to show you my new project. So first let me introduce my project ShasthoMeds. And this is basically a online medicine store and delivery system. And here for front end I have used React.js with HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. And for the backend, I used Django REST Framework and PostgreSQL was used as the database. And the main focus is to provide a secure and user friendly platform where users can search medicines, place orders online, and receive home delivery efficiently. And for my deployment, I used Render, which hosts both the front end and the back end services online. Okay. And also for the database deployment, I used here Railway. Okay. So guys, this all are about my full project. So here I tried to explain my all the features and also all kind of tools what I have used here. Okay. So also you if you watch full video, so after that you can get all kind of information from here, and the full flow process you can understand easily. So I don't think so that I need to explain the full process. So you can understand easily if you have the basic knowledge of programming. So and also if you made any kind of project or you can use any kind of software or websites, so you can understand it easily. Okay, so just try to look, and if you want to get the source code, so please let me know in comment section, so I will give you it in your comment section. Okay, thank you so much everyone. So just continue my full project overview. Okay, this is the big project, so you have to take longer time to watch. Okay, let's continue.